Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to create a beautiful website like this. So this is an investment, also on a trading platform. So this website is very beautiful. Before we go straight to learning how to create this website, I'd love to drop this disclaimer that this video is strictly for educational purposes. So it's to teach you how to implement the logic behind this whole thing, how to create a trading website that has investment options too. So it's just to train you and teach you how to do something like this. So I won't be giving out investment advice or trading advice. So it's just to teach you, just for educational purposes only. So this website is really beautiful and also responsive. It has a very beautiful interface and it's also very responsive on your mobile view. Let's check the mobile view. So currently this is the mobile view. As you can see, it's very beautiful. So we can check out the trades. So it's really beautiful. So having said that, we'll be going straight up to learn how to create this website, how to implement the logic, and going through some use cases and all of that. So having said that, let's go back to our home. So currently I'm running this website from my local device, my local machine, and also I already have a demo user in this very website. So I don't want to go through the stress of creating a new account and all of that, verify and stuff. So I'll just log into the user I currently would have. So another thing about this website is that the admin has the ability to control everything on this very website. That's showing the logo, the text, the color, and everything is totally dynamic. What it means is the admin has full control over everything. So having said that, let's go straight up to learning how to build this amazing website. So let's log in first so we can go through some of the features of this very website. So like I said before, I already have a demo user, so I'm going to log into that demo user here. So this is the demo user. So I've currently logged into the admin, but I'll log out first. Let me just log out the admin first. So this is the admin. So like I said before, I'm running this from my local machine, so that's why you have this then slash the admin. So I'm going to log in to the admin panel here. So this is what the admin panel. Let's go back to the user. So for the user, we are going to explore the features, like I said, of this website. So we are going to start from the deposit part of things. So currently, this website has two deposit options. That's the automated deposit option and the manual deposit option. The automated deposit option means that when the user deposits into their account, it gets credited to their wallets instantly, as immediately. So we make use of different payment gateway to achieve that. So if you come back to the admin and you go to payment processor, you can see the automated and the traditional method. So like I have already explained the automated. So for a traditional method, is like your bank transfer, where user is required to upload receipt or transaction ID to verify their transaction, and the admin have to approve this transaction. That's for the traditional method. So it depends on what the admin actually want. That's what they implement on the website. So if you click on the automated, we have some options here. You have Coinbase, you have Stripe, PayPal, and likes. Then you can also edit this and put your details there. The admin can edit this and put their details there. Then for the traditional, the admin has the privileges of adding as many manual or traditional payment gateway that they want. So currently I have just two here, so I'm going to be sticking with these two for the now. So also you can come here and also edit either of these two payment gateway, or you add your own payment gateway, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just edit the one we currently have here. So the reason why I'm editing this is to add the receipts. Because if you come back to the user and we want to make the deposits. Let's say we choose this bank solution, for instance. On this bank solution, let's put random amount here, and let's say the trading wallet first. So as you can see, we'll be required to put in what transaction ID. But for me, what I want to do is I want a situation whereby the user is asked to put the transaction ID and also a payment proof. So for us to do so, we have to come back to the admin and add stuff and say payments, payment ID. No, let's say payment receipts. Payment receipts, and let's change it towards a file, and let's update this. As you can see, we've updated this. So we can go back to the user now. So for this to work, we have to go back to the this stuff and choose this again and put in the amount and click on this and we'll submit it. Okay, so we have to reload this now. We should load this. So let's put the amount and so as you can see, so what we're going to do, we're going to put the transaction ID and upload a payment receipt. Let's just put some random image there and let's click on what save. As you can see, okay, we have to put payment receipt must not be greater to MB, so we have to put something much more smaller. Let's look for, let's use this a random image. Okay, let's do this and let's save this. As you can see, the deposit has been successful. So for this to reflect, now let's go back to the dashboard. For this to reflect, we have to approve from the admin side. So as you can see, this is the current trading balance, so we have to approve that. If you go back to the admin and go to deposit control and history, deposit history, you see the one that was just made. Okay, this is not where I want to go. I think I clicked something else. Let's go back towards deposits, deposit history. So we're going to edit this, as you can see. So you can download the receipt and view it here. Then this is transaction ID. So payment option, just approve this. So this has been done. As you can see, it has been done successfully. So if we go back to the user now and let's reload this. As you can see, it has added to the user's balance. So that's for the deposit option. So what we're going to do next is we're going to show the trading part of it. So how does the trading work in this website? So if you come to this trade option, so you have to trade. You have options to trade now or to practice, or the trading history. So let's just go to practice first. So once you click on practice, let's go to trainer first so we can practice here. So the trainer has the option of practice. So this practice is like the practice history actually. So we can click on that trade as live trade or the practice trade. So that thing you take note of is we have different currency pairs here. We have different currency pairs that can be traded by the user, just like every other platform out there. So let's just trade BTC USDT. Let's practice with this. So we are going to practice with this, and let's put an amount. Let's say $100. Let's say estimated time is 1 minute. So regarding this minute, this also can be set by the admin also. This can be set by the admin. So let's go for the high. That's the buy. As you can see, practice balance is just $92. So let us stick within that amount. Let's say $80. So the time is still 1 minute. You can see traders what the generators can see. If you come over here, you see what the practice, it's currently what's ongoing. So that's that for that. So let's go back to the dashboard. So once it is 1 minute, you can actually what use our cron job to automatically what check if the user gained the profit or lost, if the user gained or won the trade or lost the trade. So we're going to do that in this very video. So let's go straight up to what the investment. So the investment is already a popular one, so I don't want to go through the whole investment thing, so this video will not be too long. So let's focus on the admin side of things now. Let's go back to the admin. Okay, for the admin, you have the investment control, which shows you all the settings for the investments. That's the investment plans, that's the hours and all of that. Then if you come back to this place, you have the plans, where you can actually add, where the admin can add different plans to the investment. So if you come down here, you can see what the trading predictions. As you can see, this is one that was just entered. Okay, no, this is the time frame. Like I said before, I said the admin can actually set the time for the trade. So like if you come here and for this practice, if you click on this practice, you can see this expire time can be set by the admin. So you can add on that time and say, okay, let's say this is 2 minutes. Okay, let's say 2, then let's say minutes, and let's say it's active, and we'll save this. So if we come back to the user and refresh this, so we'll now be having the option of 2 minutes. So that's that for that. So we can check out the prediction history. As you can see, no data here currently. So we can check out the practice history. So this is what the practice history currently. So I think this has even elapsed. It has completed already. This has completed. So the outcome is what lost. Let's check the user if that has reflected on the user side. So let's reload this and see what's happening. So this has not yet reflected yet. So this is why this has not reflected is because we know what done the cron job. So let's do that. So if we're learning how to do this, I'll show you how to do this later. So this should be this. Okay, as you can see, it has been done. You can come in, let's refresh this. As you can see, the outcome is a win. So the user actually won this trade. So as you can see, it's $80 plus 0.8. As the user gained 0.8% profit. So let's come here and refresh this. Okay, so this is okay. This is the trade that was currently entered. It was BTC, it was this. So the user actually won this trade. So that is how it works. So that is how it works. That's for the trade. So let's come to the setting of the website. So we can go to application settings and change some of these settings, the icon. So go to logo setting, you can change the logo here, and you can set up the SEO and the basic setting, that is the website name, the phone number, the address, the email, and all of that. So if you come over here, you can set up the notification, that's the email gateway. So this way you will set up the email gateway here. You can also set up the SMS gateway. So it has different SMS options. So you can set up anyone and save it, and also edit the details so they are the same with your email or detail. What I mean is, let's say we want to use Twilio as our default SMS gateway. So after activating Twilio here, you come over here and put in your account SID, auth ID, from and stuff, and what activate it for the Twilio to work correctly and perfectly well. So basically that's some of the features of this website. So for the appearance, like I said before, the admin has privilege of setting up or editing everything on the front end. So you can do that from this manage appearance, come to the about section and change anything you want here. So also the investment settings can be what change. You can come here and turn off the staking investments, you can turn off the metrics, okay, you can turn off the predictions, all of that. Let's just turn off staking, investment and metrics for the now. So those have been turned off. So if you come to this this user part, it should reflect accordingly. As you can see, there is no more metrics here. All you have is what your investment. So let's just run one investment. Let's just do one investment. You can see it. You can choose from here anyone you want. Let's just go for this first, and I think this should be okay. As you can see, investment was added successfully. Let's check the profit statistics. So this is the investment that was that just started. You get, so for this investment to work automatically, we have to also run our cron job. So the reason why I'm doing this manually is because I'm running this website for my local server. So once we go straight up to learn how to do this website and upload it to our cPanel, I'll show you how to do this automatically. So having said that, I think we've gone through some of the functions of this website and some of the important things that you have to know regarding this website. So we'll be going straight up to development, how to build this website and how to upload this website to our cPanel, how to make use of our database and all of that. So let's go straight up to learning how to finally build this website. Okay guys, so this is my control panel, my cPanel. So I believe at this stage you already know how to work with your cPanel. So if you don't know how to get your cPanel, you can check the link of the description of this very video. I'll drop a link for you to get access to have access to me, where I'll teach you how to get your cPanel and also the best hosting server that you use for this very script. So having said that, let's go straight up to operating this thing, our cPanel. So currently this is my cPanel. So I'll go straight to my file manager. I already have a subdomain that I want to upload this script to, which is trading.yakima.com.ng. So I'm going to upload my script now. So I think I have my script here. So this is my script. So I'm going to also give you access to this very script. So I'll be dropping the link to get this very script in the description of this video also. So I'll be doing that. So you can check the description of this video to get access to this very file. So while our scripts or our file is uploading to our file manager, let's go back to our control panel. Let's go back to our control panel. So we're going to creating database, because the website we're currently working on is a dynamic website, which means it requires database to interact with the front end actually. Because I said before in the explanation of this video that they admin have access to have the ability to control everything on the website front end. So for that to be possible, we need a database for the details to be stored, like the user email, password and stuff to be stored in the database. So we are going to create our database now. So let's go to this database section where you have my database, my SQL wizard actually. So click on it. So we are going to create our database here. So let's call it anything random. Let's call it, you can call it anything you want. So let me call it trading underscore invest. So let me call it this. Okay. So I'll also make the username the same thing, and for my password I'll make this my password, so I'll be able to easily record this. So I've created this. You don't need this, so all privileges, then make changes. So it has been created, so we can go back to our cPanel now. So let's check if our file have uploaded. Okay, so it's still uploading. So let's come down to our PHP myadmin. So what we'll be doing next is we'll be uploading our database file as the SQL file. We'll be updating it. So let's come. So this is it currently. So let's just import. Let's import this. I think this should be in here. Then let's go to, should be it. So this is it. So let's import this. So that's been done. Let's check this. So this is still what's uploading. So having done that, so another thing we are going to do next is, like I said before, we have to set up our cron jobs. So the reason why we are actually setting up the cron job is to ensure that the trading and also the investment are done automatically. So what it means is when you just place a trade, once the trade gets to the time for it to elapse, that's the expiring time, it should do it automatically. The admin does not have to go back and start looking for a way to ensure that the trade closes. You get, so all trades should be closed automatically. So in order for us to achieve that, we have to set up our cron job. So let's just set for it in our cPanels RON. So this is it. You click on it. So we are going to set up the time. How often do you want the cron jobs to run? Is it every minute, every hour, every day, and all of that? So we are going to do that setup now. All we need is every 5 minutes should be cool. So we want our cron jobs to run every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes our script is going to run continuously for 5-minute interval. So we are going to put our command here now. So for this command, if you go through the scripts, you'll be getting what this setup.txt file. So in this setup.txt file, that's where you should get the command for the cron job. So let's just open it. So I think I have not brought that thing here, so I'm going to add that file here now. Okay, so I've added the cron job setup in this setup dot text file. So what you have to do is just come and copy this. So if you go through, or if you look at this very script correctly, you can see I'm having my domain name here /cron-run. So for you, this will be your base URL, that's your domain name. That's the place where you have your scripts running. So that's what it's going to be here. Then you can leave every other thing to be the same and just copy everything here, copy this and place it in the command here. And let's add the cron job. So as you can see, that's added successfully. So we can go back to our file to check if it has uploaded. So it has uploaded. So what we're going to do next is come to our file manager and extract the file. Let's just extract. So it has finished with extracting, so we can deal with this because we don't need it anymore. So for the SRC, let's just copy everything here and move it to our working directory. So let's go up and Next, we are going to do is we are going to edit the .env file. So we are going to add our database setup so it can work properly well. So for the database setup, remember when we were creating our database, we created the user and the username. So let's come back to our PHP admin. So this is my user, this is my user, and this is also the password and the name. So let's change this to this username and the password. So let's save this so we can view our website now. Let's come back to this place. We can copy this and let's open it here. Okay, as you can see, we're having 403. So let's check why we are having this 403. So in order to actually solve this 403 forbidding, we have to actually check out the .hcss file in. Okay, so this is the .hcss file, but let me open this panel again. So this is it. So I have to edit this .hcss file so it can be pointy. So just rewrite this whole thing here. So I already have this in my VS Code. Let me just copy this and take it here and paste it. So what I'm currently doing is I'm directing the domain to the public folder, because if you come back to our files here, there's a public folder here, right? So I'm using the .hcss file to redirect my browser, that's my domain, to this public folder. So once it gets to the public folder, it's then going to read the .hcss file that is here and then display the index.php file that is inside this public folder. So by so doing, we'll be able to clean up or fix this 403 we are having on this very website. As you can see, everything is working as it ought to work. So this is the website. So you can close this tab and this tab, so we can sign into this stuff with our test user. So this is it. Okay, I think that's not correct. So let me just come back to this and check. Let me check the user email. Okay, it's O2. Let's copy this email. So this should work. So that's for the user. Then we can also log into the admin here. Let's log into the admin. So this will be admin. So the admin will be this email. So this is the admin password and this is the admin. So this is it. So what I'm going to do next is we are going to set up the email, that's the SMTP, so our emails will be able to go directly or go well. So let's go up to emails. Let's set up the email. Let's create an email here. let's call this support. So I'm going to copy this. So I'll come back to the admin here and set up the notification, the email gateway. So I'm going to, username should be this. So let us make this our password too. So this should be 465. This should be SSL. So let's create this. So we're going to check out the email to get the hosts. That's the host. That's this SMTP host. So this is it. So the incoming server is this. So this will be our host. I'm going to set that here. So let's leave this as this and let's save this. As you can see, we've correctly configured all this. So that's that for that. So users can come here and just deposit. Let's see this. Let's put this here and let's save this. You can see, so the admin can swear approve this. So basically that's how to create this website. So I'll drop the link of this website in the description of this video, and also how to get access to the script and every other thing that was used in creating this very websites. So I hope you learned something new. So do it to subscribe and also like this video so other persons can get access to it. So I'll see you in another video. I'll be showing how to create something awesome.